In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an employee to a folder. To do that, you do have to be logged in under your enterprise. If you don't have enterprise permission, you cannot do this. To assign an employee, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected, then click on Employees. And from your list of employees, choose the one you would like to add to a folder. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Deployments. Choose Folders. This is a new employee, so they're not currently assigned to any folders. If I want to assign them to one, I can click on the Add button, then choose a folder. Let's say East Campus. If I don't want to add them to a folder, I can choose Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Add. And now that employee has been added to a folder. I can do the same thing to add them to another one. I can click Add, choose another folder, and choose Add. When you add an employee to a folder, a green save bar will appear under the Remove button, letting you know when that folder was last added and saved. To remove an employee from a folder, click on the box next to that folder, then choose Remove. Teamwork 5 is going to make sure you do want to remove that employee from that folder. If you don't, choose Cancel. If you do, click OK. And now that employee has been removed from that folder. Notice the green save bar has changed from Added to Removed, letting you know when you last changed this screen. That's how you can add and remove an employee from a folder. Check out the next video to learn how to assign and remove an employee from a location.